Hi everyone, today I'm going to share a 5 minutes makeup look which you can wear to college or office. If you're interested, please keep on watching. First, I applied the Pond's Light Moisturizer and massaged it all over my face. Next, I have applied the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny on the high points of my face as well as under my eyes and on the few acne marks which I have on my cheeks. I have not used any foundation here because let's face it, early in the morning when we have to rush to office or college, we don't have much time to blend in. The concealer does the work here, so we will just stick to the concealer and blend very nicely. I have used a flat stippling brush for blending the concealer on my face. Next, I have applied the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Compact on the areas where I have applied the concealer. Next, I've taken the Miss Claire Eyebrow Cake to do my eyebrows. This is one of the best eyebrow products available in the market. It is cheap yet effective. Please do not skip this step because your brows can make or break your look. Just filling in your brows gives out the impression that you have actually put in a lot of effort in doing your makeup, whereas you can get this look in under 5 minutes. I have taken the Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I have tight lined my upper lid, and you don't need to be very precise. You are free to make mistakes. Just make sure that you are close to your eyelashes. After that is done, I will use my finger and smudge the eyeliner as much as I can. So you don't need to be precise, you don't need to be worried about the mistakes you make because ultimately you are just drawing a rough line and smudging it out with your fingers. In case you're running very late, you can skip this step completely and move on to the mascara as well. Next, I have applied a coat of the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara on my eyelashes. This mascara adds a lot of length and curl to those lashes so that your eyes appear bigger and you look awake. Now for some warmth and shape to my face, I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Bronze. I could have skipped this step, but then all these powder products might make your face appear to be flat. So it is a good idea to use a bronzer to give some shape to your face. As you can see, I have also applied the bronzer on my jawline. Next, I have used the Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush Palette in the shade Sugar and Spice to add some color to my cheeks. Adding the blush will make your face appear fresh and youthful. Here's a quick tip: in case you accidentally apply a lot of blush on your face, you can tone it down by using a compact powder like I am doing here. To set everything in place, I have used the Wet n Wild Matte Finish Setting Spray. I have sprayed it on my stippling brush and I have patted the brush all over my face so that the look is put together. For the lips, I have used the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade Bonbon. It's a beautiful brown shade which can also be used as a nude shade for my dark skinned dusky beauties out there. As I love lipsticks that are completely matte, I will pat my lips with a tissue paper after I am done applying the lipstick so that I get a complete matte finish on my lips. I have put on a simple earring to complete the look. The first hairstyle is a very common one. It's a half hair updo. This is a hairstyle which most of us do, and I love this hairstyle simply for the fact that it is very effortless, yet it looks very nice. For the second hairstyle, I have used a paddle brush and I have brushed my hair nicely into a high ponytail, and I will clip it using a banana clip. I love using banana clips because it adds a lot of volume to that ponytail. Also, as it is summertime, it feels very comfortable to have your hair away from your face. For the last hairstyle, I have tied my hair up in a bun. This bun looks really effortless and it takes away the hair from your neck and shoulders, because it is very uncomfortable to have hair touching your neck and shoulders or any part of your face during the summers. So this bun really serves the purpose. I will secure the bun with a bun pin. Now I will loosen the hair up a little, because otherwise it will look very stretched and very tight. We don't want that. I will take out a few strands of hair from here and there so that it looks nice and effortless, also beautiful. If you wish to, you may also keep your hair open. I love to keep my hair open, but then in the summer it is best to tie your hair up in a bun. That's what I do. If you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Bye.